In the ever-evolving world of SEO, one aspect remains crucial: keyword research. It's not just about chasing high-volume keywords anymore, it's about understanding user intent, speaking the language of your target audience. No matter the changes, keyword research continues to be the backbone of any successful SEO strategy. Let's delve into a real-life success story that showcases the power of keyword research. Picture a small business struggling to gain traction in the digital world. Then they invest in keyword research, carefully crafting an SEO strategy around those findings. Suddenly, they're not just surviving, they're thriving. Their organic traffic skyrockets, their rankings climb, conversions are through the roof, all because they found the right keywords. And so, with the right keywords, a business that was once lost in the digital wilderness can find its way to the top. Authority Solutions is here to guide you through your SEO journey. Offering comprehensive services, including keyword research, we're dedicated to your online success. With us, you gain an ally who understands the SEO landscape. Authority Solutions, your partner in navigating the complex world of SEO. Before we wrap up, we have a small request. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest SEO insights. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.